Boult Audio FreePods, ProPods, MuseBuds, PowerBuds TWS earbuds launched. Boult Audio FreePods, ProPods, MuseBuds and PowerBuds are the four new true wireless earbuds launched by the company in India. These TWS earbuds target different price ranges and different set of consumers. The Boult FreePods are the most affordable TWS earbuds out of these four headphones, and are exclusive to Flipkart. The ProPods, on the other hand, are exclusive to Amazon. The Boult Audio MuseBuds and PowerBuds are aimed at fitness enthusiasts and offer better IP ratings. Boult Audio FreePods, Boult Audio ProPods price features. The Boult Audio FreePods are exclusive to Flipkart and are priced at 1,799 rupees. These TWS earbuds have a stem-style design and are available in three color options: red, white, and black. These TWS earbuds have a battery life of 15 hours and a charging time of 2 hours. These are also IPX7 rated for water resistance. The Boult Audio ProPods are exclusive to Amazon and are priced at 2,499 rupees. These earbuds also have a stem-style design and are IPX5 water resistant. These come with a wake-up and pair feature, touch controls, and low latency for lag-free audio especially while gaming. The ProPods are capable of 5.5 hours of playback and the case is capable of charging the earbuds 4 times completely. The ProPods are available in black and white color options. Boult Audio MuseBuds, Boult Audio PowerBuds price in India, features. The Boult Audio MuseBuds are aimed at fitness enthusiasts and have an ear clip design. This ear clip design should help the MuseBuds to stay in place while working out. These TWS earbuds are available on both Flipkart as well as Amazon and are priced at 1,999 rupees. The MuseBuds are capable of 18 hours of continuous playback with the case. Boult Audio PowerBuds are the most expensive offering of the four TWS earbuds with a price of 2,799 rupees. These PowerBuds are available on Flipkart as well as Amazon and have a touch sensor for controlling audio playback. The case of the PowerBuds earbuds can also be used to reverse charge other devices and the earbuds themselves are IPX7 water resistant. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.